All these enlightened people did not cause those enlightenments. They proved the existing facts. How were the industrial sites 20 years ago? The fatal voltage sag accidents happened in the blink of an eye. We used to regard it as an accident beyond human control. However, WESCO has been spreading the reality of voltage sag accidents that no one knew and proved its mechanism for the first time. The beginning of the new standard of the sag accident. It all began with the proof by WESCO. Many companies, large-scale, cutting-edge precision plants, use hypervoltage electricity with more than 100,000 voltages supplied directly from transmission towers. To prevent voltage sags, we use battery UPS that supplies uninterrupted power for up to 30 minutes on average. But why 30 minutes? The optimal time that WESCO has been proving for decades is 0.3 seconds is enough to secure the power. But UPS set an unnecessarily long time, and the large volume battery that needs to be replaced every few years caused yet another problem. The second power protects various pieces of equipment from voltage sag with its non-battery technology. We can extend it to dozens of minutes and not only 0.3 seconds. It is the one and only product that can be diversely customized up to 2,400 kilovolt-ampere in volume. With its low heat design, the product is free from failures and fire hazards. Moreover, SagViewer, the real-time remote accident monitoring system, collects and tallies various information. We offer the best results for the elimination of future risk factors while fostering management convenience. Based on these successful results, many of WESCO's clients are using TSP as the new technical standard to prevent voltage sag. For the tomorrow that you envision and the future that you dream of, to realize those visions quickly and safely, WESCO will be your partner. Creating a whole new standard of technology. WESCO.